If you're planning a Caribbean trip this summer and you're trying to figure out which destination is really worth it, this video is going to save you time, money, and probably some regret. These are the 3 best Caribbean destinations for summer of 2026 based on weather, overall experience, and how enjoyable it actually really is, not just what you see on Instagram. Now, a quick note, this list is specifically for summer travel. It matters in the Caribbean because not every island is ideal for this time of year. First up, the Dominican Republic. This is one of the best overall destinations in the Caribbean, especially in the summer, because you get a lot of variety for your money. What do I mean by that? That you can do a lot of things outside the resort, like excursions, like the boogie tour that we experienced a couple times with Beppo, with my friend. I'll leave you the information of that. And also visiting various beaches like Saona Beach. You could take the tour of Isla Saona, and it's just an incredible experience. Just the beautiful blue, crystal blue waters out there are just simply amazing. And you can visit other beaches like Macau Beach, and you can go to other different cities other than Punta Cana, which a lot of tourists like to go to. Or you can visit Santo Domingo. You could actually take a huge drive. You get a rent-a-car, you take a drive a couple hours and visit other little small cities with other beautiful beaches, and just the scenery is just incredible. So definitely the Dominican Republic is one of the best destinations I would consider in the summer. It's not boutique or quiet everywhere, but if you want the most bang for your buck, Dominican Republic delivers. Next up is Jamaica. Now, this is the island with more personality than almost anywhere in the Caribbean. What am I talking about? I'm talking about amazing food, music, culture, waterfalls, beaches. Jamaica is not just a vacation, it's an experience. Places like Negril, Montego Bay, or Ocho Rios, depending on what you're looking for, offer different vibes. Me and my wife actually visited Jamaica in 2024 for her birthday, around July, where the concert or the music festival Sumfest was going on, which is a huge event every year in Jamaica. We also toured Negril, which we also got to visit the 7 Mile Beach, and we took a tour with Joel's Tours and Nightlife. It was just incredible. He took us to Negril. He also took us to Lounge 2727 and experienced, great music there at a club. And then he took us to like a neighborhood where a guy is just like cooking barbecue and selling barbecue outside his house. So it was definitely quite an experience to visit Jamaica. Jamaica has just a lot to offer in terms of just, outside of the resort. You don't have to stay inside the resort all the time. You could also take different tours and excursions and just witness the great people that you run into in Jamaica. It's just an awesome experience. So I definitely recommend that for the summer. So if you want culture, energy, great food, not just, sitting at a pool at your resort, Jamaica is definitely a fantastic choice. Our third destination, and I think that it's clearly the most underrated, is Curaçao. Curaçao gives you bright, colorful cities with beautiful crystal clear waters and a great mix of Caribbean and European culture. Me and my wife have been there twice, and it's just simply amazing the things that you can do outside of the resort, like visiting Canepa Grande Beach, for example, or taking the tour to Klein Island, which was another amazing experience. I went to go snorkeling and saw fish down there. The waters are just incredible, and it's very low key. It's not so crowded. You don't got to deal with, a lot of like bad weather most of the time in Curaçao. It's mostly stable. It's great to drive out there. So definitely, if you're going to do activities in Curaçao, definitely get a rent-a-car because they have safe roads. It's easy to drive, but it's all driving distance. But you're going to need a car because the taxi system there or the rideshare system there can get very expensive. So it's always recommended that you rent a car and go to the various places that you can visit. So definitely Curaçao is a very, very low-key, not so crowded, and a very underrated option for the summer. I definitely recommend it. So if you're chasing a Caribbean destination of summer of 2026, Dominican Republic for the value and variety, Jamaica for the culture and the energy, and Curaçao if you want something colorful and underrated. So if this video helped you and you're also planning to travel this year, you want to like and subscribe to the channel and to this video so that way you can get more destination guides coming soon. And here are a couple more videos you guys could check out from all 3 destinations that I have visited. So without further ado, safe travels.